What's up guys, Major Math with another video on fluid mechanics. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments, and if you're having trouble with other problems, I've attached my email in the description, so please feel free to reach out. Without further ado, let's get started. 2.40 question in the textbook says a pressure of 4 times 10 to the 6 power newtons per meter squared is applied to a body of water that is initially filled a 4,300 cubic centimeters volume. Estimate its volume after the pressure is applied. Okay, first step, write down your goal. Our goal is to find the final volume after change in pressure, right? After this pressure is applied to the body of water, you gotta find the volume. We're given that change in pressure, which is just the pressure applied, is 4 million pascals. Newtons, I say pascals, Newton per meter squared is equivalent to that. Right. We're also given that the initial volume, water that's initially filled, is 4,300 centimeters cubed. And we're also given that the liquid is water. So we're going to have to find an equation that allows us to find the final volume. And that question is located in page 37, chapter 2.3 in the textbook, the bulk modulus of elasticity. It looks like this. Okay, so and the textbook also gives you the bulk modulus of elasticity of water, so we can go ahead and write that down. That's located on table F.5. And pascals, remember, that's equivalent to newtons per meter squared. Okay, so you're looking at this and maybe you don't see how it helps, but we're given the change in pressure, so we know that. We're given the initial volume. We're given the bulk modulus of elasticity from the textbook. And so the only unknown variables is change in volume. Remember that change in volume, anything with change, is just final versus initial, right? So we got final, that's just equivalent to final volume minus initial volume. So we know this initial volume, so now we can change this into this, plug that in, to find the final volume. Let's go ahead and rearrange this a little. Show you my process a little. So I'm just putting that in for the change of volume. And this is all over the initial volume. Then we got, right. And then we can skip some algebra here, get right. Okay. So now we've set this equation up where we can solve for the volume, the final volume. So let's go ahead and plug all our knowns in and solve for this. Initial volume is 4,300 cubic centimeters. Change in pressure is 4 times 10 we gotta put the negative plus the bulk modulus. All that is divided by the bulk modulus again. So these will cancel out. We'll be left with the volume. The volume is equal to 4292. And that's our final volume. Thanks for watching, soldiers. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, leave it on the comments, and if you need help with any other problems, feel free to contact me with the email shown on the screen.